So your business is being audited by the government. An audit by the government can involve a bunch of different things. It can involve unemployment insurance, coming in and looking at your records to make sure that you've paid your unemployment insurance payments to the government. Those things are not too big a deal. We rarely get involved in anything like that. However, if there is a possibility the audit's going to uncover some potential criminal conduct, then yes, you should be worried. Audits begin in a number of ways. They can begin with an administrative subpoena from a federal agency requesting documents. They can begin with an investigator from a federal agency showing up and asking questions. They can begin with a grand jury subpoena from the Department of Justice, the U.S. Attorney's Office. All of these contacts with the government carry with them significant risks. Just pulling together all the documents you have and mailing them to the government and hoping for the best frequently leads to a disaster. We've gotten involved in cases after that has happened where the company really wasn't even sure what records were sent to the government. But what we do when we're contacted about an audit is we'll get a hold of the government agency. We'll tell them that we need some time to look into what's going on. They will invariably give us enough time to do that. We will gather all the records and we will decide what records we're going to provide to the government and which ones are not going to be provided to the government. Just because a record is bad doesn't mean we don't send it to the government. What we look for are documents that are privileged, documents that disclose significant work, product issues, or intellectual property issues, and we don't pursue those, or we don't produce those documents without talking further to the government about it. Audits can take a long time. It can be months or years sometimes before you hear back during the course of an audit. That's okay, that's the way things are. But if you do find yourself being audited, it's good to talk to a white-collar criminal defense attorney at that time to determine whether you need that level of professional involvement.